Guys, this is the easiest way of cleaning your WhatsApp. Go to Phonics, open Phonics, place on Explore, then go to Status Saver. Then here they have said clean up WhatsApp. You need to place on clean up. They are showing you the space used. You can decide to clean the videos, the WhatsApp videos. You can decide to clean the voice notes more than 1 month ago. You can even decide to clean the video, audio, images, documents, stickers, base data, voice notes, everything. So guys, you just need to press on clean up, and all the data will be removed. That's all about cleaning your WhatsApp using Phonics. Another way of cleaning WhatsApp, you need to place on your WhatsApp, then go to app info. You will have to go to storage and cache, then place on clear storage and clear cache. Everything will be removed. That's another way of cleaning your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.